Alright, with my beautiful brown balls and my beautiful brown wiener dog. Now that we got that out of the way, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy as we do Tsukune or Japanese Chicken Meatballs today. Ingredients are in the description along with measurements and whose recipe I ripped off. Alright, chicken goes in, onions go in. Okay, and then you get your ginger, your salt, your starch of some sort. I use flour because I didn't have cornstarch or potato starch. Panko, in it goes, egg white only. Oh, save the yolk. People like that. Mash it all up. You know, you want everything evenly mixed. That'll be good. There you go. I forgot to show you, but put oil on your hands before and it won't stick as much. There we go. Now make little balls. About the size of a golf ball. The most important part is they're the same size so they cook evenly in the same amount of time. There, look at my beautiful balls. Yes, they are. Beautiful. Okay, now your balls need to get wet. So, soy sauce, sake, mirin, there we go. And yeah, sugar, and my wieners destroyed all the measuring tools, so I'll leave that there for you. Mix it all up. Yep, sugar should be dissolved. Preheat your pan over medium-high. Add some neutral oil, a couple tablespoons. I use vegetable. Put your balls in the pan, get them all nice and hot. You're gonna brown them. This will take 7-8 minutes or so. Roll them often. And then 7-8 minutes, yep. Pretty soon they'll look like this. And when they reach this point, turn down the heat to low, and your balls better be ready because they're about ready to get sauced. Ooh, there we go. Now this will be for about 3 minutes. You're gonna reduce it down a little bit, get that nice glaze on them. They'll absorb some of the sauce, it'll be delicious. There you go. Pull them out. Don't leave it in too long. Garnish with some green things like scallions or chives or something, I don't know. Go ahead and dip in a nice egg yolk that you saved maybe. Oh yeah, is my wiener gonna get some? No!